Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a delicious soup recipe that is super easy, super quick to make, and perfect if you don't have a lot of time for cooking. You want to start out with your onion. You want to peel it and then cut it down into small pieces. Next you want to take the leek and you want to cut it into rings. Then you want to take a pan and you want to heat up some oil and put the onion in there for a minute or so, and then add the leek and roast that as well for a minute. Then you want to go ahead and add your vegetable stock. And the exact measurements are down below as always. And then you want to add in the cheese as well. Then you want to add the garlic. And you want to give it a good mix and then let it boil for 10 minutes. Then you want to take it off the heat. You want to add some salt, some pepper. I added a little bit of smoked paprika and some nutmeg. And then you want to give it a good mix and you're ready to enjoy. I had it with some bread and I really enjoyed it. So yeah, I hope you give it a try and I will talk to you soon. Bye!